City of Austin is already putting plans into place in case the U.S. Supreme Court overturns Roe versus Wade. KXAN's Blake Devine breaks down the actions the city council members have developed to decriminalize abortion.
If the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, a Texas trigger law would take effect 30 days later. While the law doesn't penalize women directly, the City of Austin's General Counsel foresees an interpretation of this law which puts pregnant women who actively participate in an abortion at risk.
We are talking about the potential criminalization of huge numbers of women who are attempting to end unplanned pregnancies.
Councilmember Chito Vela has put forth a proposal directing the Austin Police Department to make criminal enforcement arrest of abortions its lowest priority. It would also limit city funds from being used to investigate any alleged abortion crimes.
We need to protect women in Austin. We need to not be criminalizing a 17-year-old girl.
The GRACE Act stands for Guarding the Right to Abortion Care for Everyone.
Wow.
City Councilwoman Vanessa Fuentes is a co-sponsor.
Government does not have any business in the decision that a woman makes with her body and that anyone who becomes pregnant makes with their choices.
Ground Game Texas, a group pushing for progressive ballot measures, is trying to spark a similar course of action in San Antonio, Houston, and Dallas.
We hope that other city councils will take it upon themselves to create resolutions that are similar to Councilman Vela's here in Austin.
Roe v. Wade in place.
Vela has high hopes that the police department would comply with the directive. We reached out to APD, who responded with the following. The city is prepared to take the steps necessary to implement this resolution upon passage by city council.
There are lots more crimes out there that deserve the attention and that need the attention of our police, and abortions is not one of them.
This measure won't be submitted for full council consideration until the Supreme Court decision is overturned. Blake Devine, KXAN News.
This isn't the first time Austin has taken a similar approach on an issue. In January of 2020, the City Council passed a resolution for Austin police to no longer spend resources on testing the difference between marijuana and hemp. It followed the Texas legislature legalizing hemp, and it caused marijuana prosecution cases to be thrown into doubt. The Austin Police Department followed up 6 months later by changing policy. They announced APD would no longer cite or arrest people for misdemeanor amounts of marijuana. This while the drug remains illegal at the state and federal level.